ago, before Mieszko I united local tribes into Polish country, the Kraków was ruled by King Krak. In this time, the city has been terrorized by a hideous beast called Baba Dragon.
Where's my food?
People of Kraków needed sacrifice one virgin per week, or the dragon would attack the city. There were many brave knights who were trying to slay the beast.
I will protect the virgins.
A lot of good men were killed by fire-breathing lizards. Dragon was more and more pissed off, so he decided to kidnap the princess.
Where's the prince?
Don't kill me!
I need to find you.
The king was desperate for ideas. And suddenly, in one day, the king has a very unusual guest.
Hi, what are you doing?
Dear sire, I have an idea how to slay the beast.
How are you going to do this?
I will use my brain and trick the dragon.
Okay, I don't believe you, but if you manage to do this, I will give you the hand of my daughter with her virginity.
And a half of kingdom.
Maybe, but it's not a promise. I will think about it.
Okay.
The secret plan of Shoemaker was to kill sheep and fill its inside with sulfur.
Okay, I got this. I got the sulfur, but do I put this through here or through here?
When the booby trap was completed, Shoemaker put the sulfur sheep in front of Dragon Cave.
Sheep! I'm hungry. Where's my sheep? Oh. It's burning. Too much sulfur. I need to drink. More. I drink all of the water from the river. Another one.
That was easy.
Are you gonna save you?
Let's go to your
Father! So, how about the kingdom, sire?
My daughter, please forgive me. I have to give your hand to this man and half of my money.
Yes? A joke? This is a joke?
No, forgive me.
Do you prefer to be a dragon food?
No.
And they lived happily ever after.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You've done a good job. It would be too bad if only one country used it.
Da, ne čekaj, ako se dalje ne može stići do Srba. Eventualno...
Dobro, možda, ne, želim izravno da ide na drugi.
Ovak bi mogli.
Da, ali neće,
Je, ovak, gle.
da, ali ne mogu ja to staviti. Da se zamijene oni pa da izvim.
Možeš onda pustiti. Da, možeš zamijeniti, možeš pustiti kao, gle, vidi se sve odavde. Can you sit here? Vidi se cijeli put odavde. Dobro. Moram bržati s ovim. Ne.